IVMasters Learning Center at IVMasters.com, and today we're going to look at the 18th question from the Digital SAT Test 1 Module 2. This from the Bluebook app, the harder set of reading and writing questions. Number 18 reads, which choice completes the text so that it conforms to the conventions of standard English? If you look at the answer choices, it might be difficult to identify them, but they are verbs. They just don't show action. When a verb is underlined, you got to check two things. You got to check tense and subject-verb agreement. For verb tense, you're paying attention to the context, which is if it says yesterday, it's going to be past tense. If it says right now, it's going to be present. If it says tomorrow, it's going to be future. You also have to pay attention to what's the verb before, what's the verb after, what tense are they in, and usually it's going to be in the same tense. Subject-verb agreement, we've got to identify the subject. We've got to take out prepositional phrases, any phrases that are not necessary to the sentence. Put the subject right next to the verb. If it's still unclear, replace plurals with they, replace singulars with it, he, or she. Let's read the paragraph. In many of her landscape paintings from 1970s to 1980s, Lebanese American artist Etel Adnan worked to capture the essence of California's fog-shrouded Mount Temalpais region through abstraction, using splotches of color to represent the area's features. Interestingly, triangle representing the mountain itself blank among the few defined features of the painting. What's the subject of the sentence? It's the triangle. Representing the mountain itself is not necessary for the sentence. And then you have to ask yourself, would you say the triangle are among a few defined figures? No. Triangle is going to be singular, so you can place with it. It are does not make sense. It have been among a few defined figures. No. It were among a few defined figures. No. It is among a few defined figures. D is going to be your answer. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has difficulty with subject-verb agreement or identifying these as non-action verbs. Has, have, had, is, was, will be, am, are. Those are all examples of verbs that don't show action. If you'd like to see the 1-minute video, check us out on TikTok. Have a great day.